हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू प्रवेगा एजुकेशन। सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप कि आपकी प्रिपरेशन अपने पीक पर होगी और जैसा हम गेस कर रहे हैं कि CSIR नेट का एग्जाम इन लास्ट वीक ऑफ जनवरी में होना चाहिए। सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव enough time to revise our topics and revise our courses. In this process, I am going to launch a very exciting course that is one shot revision of quantum mechanics, and this is going to happen only in a 3-day, that is 21, 22 and 23 December. So what is planning behind all this thing? So in this 3-day, I am just going to plan, I will just try to solve the different type of problems from the textbook, and this textbook is Griffith, Goenka and R. Shankar and the Jetli. So I will choose the different type of questions which are suitable for your examination, obviously, because this basically one shot revision is for CSIR NET, GATE as well as IIT JAM. So any students who want to just give this examination, they can join easily. So in these 3 days, I am just going to plan. I will try to solve at least 150 question in this 3 days, and that will take almost 7 hours each day. So that means we will have planning of rigorous practice session of almost 20 hours in 3 days. That is 21, 22 and 23 December. So students, this is one of the wonderful program to boost your preparation of the quantum mechanics. So learn with me and just try to see how we can approach this different type of problems, and you will find this is a really exciting, and it will just give your preparation to a next level boost. So students, just join this. For every Pravegaa students, this is quite free. So जो भी प्रवेगा के स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके लिए फ्री है, बट इफ यू वांट टू जॉइन विथ अ प्रोफेशनल वे फ्रॉम अदर इंस्टीट्यूट्स, और अगर आप प्रवेगा के स्टूडेंट्स नहीं हैं, देन देयर इज नॉमिनल फीस, दैट इज 2000 rupees. You can join it live, you can join its offline classes, and even you can take the recorded lectures of this. So what I will provide you, we will just try to solve the question, we will give you the recorded videos of this particular questions, and then I will also give you some basic concept, some basic tricks to solve the problem. So friends, it's my dream project. Just join it and you will find you will land yourself in a very different region. Thank you.